Hi there. I hope this video finds you well and enjoying your winter holiday. I myself am still away visiting family, and so I'm enjoying an extended break. But I wanted to jump back on video to let you know about some sheet music that I have created that will be available for free on my website, www.pianowithsarah.ca. This sheet music is specifically for people who have been exploring my rhythm pattern for beginners. If this is your first time on my channel, I will link to that video below. The rhythm pattern is basically a way for you to start learning how to play piano by ear rather than needing to learn how to read sheet music right off the bat. So this is a really great start for beginners. So this won't make sense to you until you watch the video. I will link to that video in the description below. But basically, I've created music for how to use the rhythm pattern with the Beatles song, I Want to Hold Your Hand. As you can see, it kind of starts, I show you visually the chords on the piano, and then down here, I show you the rhythm pattern and the chords that go along with the song. And this ended up being a 2-page PDF. So this should be enough to keep you busy over the holidays. So because this is an idea that I already had before, I already have a video demo of the song pre-recorded, so I will cut to that next. But yeah, if you would like to download this for free, I will link to the blog post in the description of this video, so check that out. Just so that you know, this is not a lead magnet. You do not have any requirement to give me your email address in order to get this download. There will just be a button and it will automatically download the file to you. So this is completely free, no obligation to sign up for any lists or anything like that. It's just for fun. Okay, so I hope you have fun. Let me know if you have any questions and let me know how it goes for you. I'd love to hear if this is something that is fun and enjoyable for you. And if there are other songs you might like to see in this kind of a rhythm pattern format. So take care, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.